Hi, this is Stacy from the Blue Keystone. Today I'm talking about Grandma's quilts and how to store them and to fold them. Grandma's quilts. I always try and fold the quilts with the fabrics, with the nice part on the inside. Let me show you. This is on the inside. So I have it folded this way. I have it folded with the white. And you can see this one's gone through a little bit. It's old. And that way, if some of your other fabrics or something else that's in there has a little bit of, I don't know, whatever happens in storage. I don't know how it happens, but it does. Then it gets on the underside and not the face side. So I always try and fold my face sides in. And then again with folding the fabrics, it's very, very important for quilts to fold them a different way. Otherwise, if you're always folding them in half and folding them in half, that center, especially with the batting, it gets morphed and you're going to have a difficult time putting it back the way it would have. This was hand sewn by my great-grandma many moons ago. I'm very proud of it. Something that I want to keep in tip-top shape. The best way to keep quilts in tip-top shape is actually to put them on a bed that is out of direct daylight. If you have it in direct daylight, it will fade. If it is in a room that you don't use and you want to store it on a bed, I suggest storing it upside down until somebody's going to come to your house to see, and then you can, flip it back over. But storing it on a bed is actually the best way. If you're going to store it in a box, again, put the face side and every once in a while fold it a different way without folding it on the center. I like to use thirds. One more thing about Grandma's quilts is you'll see these, sometimes you get quilts and the ends are really, really in bad shape. And the threads are really threadbare and bad shape. But you may feel like, oh, it stinks, or it's been hanging for a long time, it's dusty and I want to clean it. Take the time, put it in a bathtub, and clean it really good in the bathtub. It might take a couple times if it's a smell, or you got a beautiful quilt at an estate sale and it has these edges like that. Take the time, wash it in a bathtub, hang it outside to dry, and again, keep those colors away from the sun. Hang the off-white side on the outside so that the sun won't fade your face of your quilt. So I hope that gave you some helpful hints folding and taking care of Grandma's quilts. Let me know if you enjoyed it by giving me a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. Also visit thebluekeystone.com where I have sewing tutorials. I also have clothes that I sell that are custom made.